Timeshare resorts have overheads. Members would agree these costs need to be covered by them. Contention arises when fees become as expensive as regular hotels of the same standard. Timeshare owners are legally committed to paying those costs every year, which resorts may increase at their discretion. These fees are seen more and more as a burden, and members are looking for ways to escape. Some people believe if they stop paying their maintenance, the resort will be forced to cancel their contract. People who stop paying will be contacted initially by the resort. If the defaulting member does not pay or communicate, then the debt may be passed to collection agencies. If the process reaches court proceedings, expect your credit rating to take a hit. If you don't pay your maintenance fees, the resort can escalate until you have no choice, and the longer you leave it, the more it could cost you in fees and charges. If you sell your ownership, your maintenance liabilities end at point of transfer. This is easier said than done. There is practically no market for second-hand timeshares. Today's consumer gets a better deal from regular holiday booking sites, even to stay in actual timeshare resorts. They don't need the expense and commitment of outdated holiday membership schemes. In most cases, expert help is needed to prize free from a timeshare contract. In some cases, you may even be entitled to claim compensation due to infringement in the way you were sold your membership. To find out more, get in touch with our team.